How to set up events in Google Analytics using Google Tag Manager, brought to you by CallSource. The events you want to send are decided by the types of triggers. There are 4 available triggers: page views, clicks, user engagements, and other. Once you know what trigger you want to use for your event, it is time to create that trigger using Google Tag Manager. First, log into your Google Tag Manager. In your Google Tag Manager account, navigate to your workspace, then Triggers, and click New to create a new trigger. Click the Trigger configuration box and choose the type of trigger you want from the 4 categories. Make sure the trigger firing rules are correct. Give your trigger a memorable title using a naming standard and save. Now that you've created the trigger, you are ready to make the event tag, all inside Google Tag Manager. Back in your Google Tag Manager account, navigate to your workspace again, but this time to Tags, and click New to create a new tag. Click the Tag Configuring box at the top. Select Google Analytics as your tag type. From the Track Type dropdown, choose Event. Make sure you fill in all of the event tracking parameters such as the category, the action, the label, and the value. Select your Google Analytics variable from the dropdown, scroll down, and now click on the bottom box called Triggering. Select the trigger you previously created, then give the entire tag a proper title and save it. Finally, you should preview and validate that the tag you've just created is working and firing as intended. You should do this in Google Tag Manager's preview mode and in Google Analytics. First, to validate your tag in preview mode, click Preview in the upper right hand of the screen of Google Tag Manager. Next, visit the correct page where your event should fire, look at the preview pane at the bottom of the browsed page. Verify your tag fired on the page. Your tag should be in the Tags Fired on this page section. Note, if your tag did not fire, you should diagnose the trigger in Google Tag Manager. Now we will diagnose the event in Google Analytics. First, log into your Google Analytics account. From the correct property, find your reports on the left menu and navigate to your real-time events. Confirm that the correct events are showing up in all parameters. This includes category, action, and label. When you are satisfied, go back to Google Tag Manager and end the preview mode. Still in Google Tag Manager, click Submit in the upper right-hand corner to make the new tag live. Give the new version a name and a description so you can reference it in the future, and publish your container. That's it! Congratulations! You've created an event.